Hi students, and welcome to the War of 1812 Fort Washington Breakout activity. When you click on the link for today's assignment, you will land on this page. You can click around and explore the 360-degree view of what Fort Washington might have looked like. The first thing you will do is click on the B button here to listen to the audio directions. Listen very carefully as there are some hints in there for today's assignment. If you would like to read the directions again, you may click on the written direction button, and here you will see the directions again written out for you. The next thing you need to do is click on the planning document. This will help you keep track of the different combinations for the locks. Make sure you click Use Template in the top right-hand corner in order to save your work. Then you can look around the room and click on all of the buttons here. These are all required. You have a video here to watch. These are two pictures that you can look at with some information. Then, once you click on the History button article, here you will see a website that you have to expand by clicking on the bottom website button. On this website, you will have to read the article as well as watch these 3 short videos here right in the middle. Then, once you finish with that, you may click back to the assignment, continue scrolling along to see what else you have to do. Here at the bottom, there's a little hint button if you need some hints. Then there are 2 other articles here that you need to read, and once you click on them, you can expand and see the full web page by clicking on the bottom link here. So once you complete all of the readings here and watch the videos, you will see this is where you would enter your possible combinations for the locks, just as you would any other Google Doc that we normally use. And that is how you will navigate today's assignment.